Hi students, I'm looking at the right hand to Edelweiss, and my suggestion is for practicing fingerstyle in the right hand, finger picking, we have two chords that begin Edelweiss. And if you recall, the thumb for the G is on the 6th string, but the 1, 2, and 3 fingers never deviate, never move from those strings. The first finger on the 3rd string, that's right here, second finger on the 2nd string, and then the 3rd finger is on the 1st string. And even without a chord or your thumb, you can even start practicing this. Just practicing that, getting the movements until the muscle memory takes over. Now with the G chord, now once you have that down, you're going to change to a D chord, and then your thumb moves to the 4th string. That's D, that's the bass. And so it sounds like this. So your thumb is right next to your first finger. They're on adjacent strings. Once you have that, very slowly go from the G. Let me maximize. There we go. And practice back and forth. Now, the timing, you have to move your chords fast. Here. Before the thumb hits the chord. Practice that, and then later you're going to add the C, and then the thumb moves to the 5th string. And it's also on the 5th string for A minor 7. A minor 7 is just this and this. It's like an A minor where you lifted up your ring finger. Back to the 4th string for D7th. Then the whole sequence begins again. And again, have fun. Practice that, please.